Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in music gear and instruments. Today, we're taking a closer look at what I believe is the best pink recorder you can find on the market. The Yamaha Yrs-20 3-piece soprano recorder in a stunning pink color. If you're a beginner or a seasoned musician looking for a reliable, high-quality soprano recorder, stick around as we explore why this one should be your top choice. Now, when it comes to recorders, Yamaha is a name that stands out for its commitment to craftsmanship and sound quality. The Yrs-20 is no exception. This recorder is designed to produce excellent tuning and sound quality, making it a fantastic option for students, teachers, and anyone looking to improve their skills on the recorder. Whether you're learning for the first time or simply want a reliable instrument for practice, this recorder delivers clear, crisp notes that will make playing a joy. One of the standout features of the Yrs-20 is its durable construction. Made from ABS plastic resin, this recorder is not only lightweight but also very sturdy. And if you're concerned about safety, you'll be pleased to know that it's BPA-free, ensuring that you're playing an instrument made with materials that are safe and long-lasting. For those who are learning or teaching, the Yrs-20 comes equipped with double holes for both the low C and D notes. This helps improve the overall tuning and intonation, giving you a more precise and accurate sound. It also features the traditional Baroque fingering, which is widely used and taught around the world, making it easier to transition between different recorders and musical styles. This recorder is also incredibly practical for everyday use. It comes with a convenient plastic bag for easy storage and transport, so you can take it with you anywhere. Plus, it includes a fingering chart, which is a great tool for beginners to quickly get familiar with the different notes and finger placements. Another thing I love about the Yamaha Yrs-20 is the fact that it's a real musical instrument, not a toy. It's made to provide an authentic playing experience while being affordable and accessible. And if you're looking for something that will last, this model has the durability and craftsmanship to stand the test of time. To wrap things up, if you're in the market for a reliable, well-made, and affordable soprano recorder, the Yamaha Yrs-20 in pink is hard to beat. Its excellent sound quality, comfortable playability, and durable construction make it one of the best choices for both beginners and more experienced players alike. Whether you're starting your musical journey or simply need a dependable instrument for your collection, the Yrs-20 delivers on all fronts. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest reviews on the best products out there. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and I'll see you in the next video.